You guys, welcome back. Today I'll be making Laab Moo, which is a vibrant Lao minced meat salad with herbs. It's sour, spicy, and nutty. Yes, nutty, from a special ingredient which I'll share with you in a bit. This dish is also widely eaten in northeast Thailand and Cambodia. Of course, everyone has their own take on this, adding different kinds of herbs in here and fermented components. But I'll be showing you a version that I grew up eating. Sticky rice is the best kind of rice to eat with laab. Since it's eaten with your hands, it will be easier to scoop up bites with this kind of rice. This sticky rice has been soaking in room temperature water out on the counter overnight and it's ready to be steamed. I'll be using this traditional bamboo cone basket steamer, which I believe gives the best result for sticky rice. This basket sits on a fitted pot of boiling water. The star of this dish that gives laab its iconic flavor is toasted sticky rice grounded into a coarse powder, known as khao khua. There's something so magical about this powder. It's surprisingly nutty, toasty, and has notes of popcorn in a great way. It also adds a nice texture to the salad. So after about 30 minutes, you want to flip it and steam for another 20 minutes on the other side. Let's cook the ground pork. I'll be using a little bit of water to cook the pork on low to medium heat, just enough water to cook the pork and add juiciness into the pork. A bit of fish sauce to season it. You can make laab with many different things like ground chicken, ground beef, mushroom, bamboo, and maybe even tofu, but I've never tried it with tofu. The sauce dressing and herbs that are used in laab are so flavorful, I bet it will taste great on just about anything. And now for aromatics, which really brightens up this dish and makes it quite refreshing. I'll be using shallots, scallion, culantro, cilantro, and mint. This sticky rice looks done now. Let's break up the bundle of sticky rice to allow residual steam to escape, then cover it until ready to eat. Now back to making laab. I'll be making the sauce dressing now. We'll need some sugar, lime juice, fish sauce, roasted chili flakes, and toasted rice powder. We'll be adding more in a little bit. In goes the cooked ground pork. And aromatics. Taste and adjust to your liking. This is just right for me. I'll add a bit more toasted rice powder, and I'll be done. And the laab is done. Here we have it, laab moo. These are fried Thai chilies for garnish and also are nice to crunch on while eating laab. I'll put a note on how to fry these chilies in the description area of the video. I hope you'll try this delicious salad, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video. Be safe, everyone.